Welcome everyone. Most sessions will take place here. Here we will see more the technical, theoretical parts, but then we will move in between to have some flight demos in the airfield. And we have left some space for networking during the lunch and also at the end of the event. And we are aiming at the end for a more engaging and maybe flexible event. Feel free to ask questions, interact with everyone. The idea here is to engage conversations, share the different challenges that we as industry are facing, and see how we all together can support in keeping this advancement.
So the industry is at a critical phase in its development cycle. So what it needs today is scalability. So it was critical for us to demonstrate to customers, to governments, to regulators, that the industry is ready today with the tools that are available today to start scaling up.
Since I came into the industry 2 years ago, I've observed a couple of key takeaways. One is the willingness to collaborate to make this happen. And the other has been, for most of the last 2 years, an impatience with regulators to provide clarity on what is needed to scale.
We just see a small part that it's the flying machine, but around it there is a lot more technology. It's a really complex system. Deploying such a complex system can only be done in partnership.
No player in this industry has all the answers. Doesn't matter if you're one of the big players or the smaller players. It's going to be a combination of services, a collaboration of services, in order to provide a system of systems that allows this industry to scale. And by bringing people together here today at the Barcelona Drone Center, we're able to demonstrate to the community that what we have available to us today will allow this industry to scale and to be successful.
So yesterday, Mark introduced me as a colleague. 24 hours later, through the same conference that you'll experience today, we've become very good friends. You'll have the same good time. You'll make new friends.
And what's really different about the event here at Barcelona Drone Center is we can actually demonstrate. So we can show the technology in theory, but then we can go straight into a live demonstration to show that the technology actually works, that it's viable.
Okay, I just want to wrap that up by saying welcome to today. It is good fun throughout the day. We're all around, milling around, so grab us, talk to us, have a drink with us. But yeah, have a really good day and we look forward to talking to you. If there's an autonomous platform or a remote requirement, these are the industries of the future that we're going into, and this technology suits perfectly.
I didn't expect all these connections, to be frank, and we found clients. We might have found some new interesting partners. That's it. Very interesting. It's much easier to do business in such an informal manner, especially when you kind of know the people.
Please give him a warm welcoming.
It's been a really interesting event. We have had a really good format, I think, with people having a lot of time to engage in interesting conversations, thanks to the different networking spaces that we have left. So I think it's not only been good to discover new companies and new ideas, share the challenges that the industry is facing, but also to already start shaping new projects that may come alive in the upcoming months.